Hello there, YouTube family. Welcome back to Mama Bear's Den. I have a nice cookie recipe for you guys again. We're making what today, ladies?
Butter cookies.
Butter cookies. You guys remember the old-fashioned butter cookies you got in the lunchroom? Well, if you're anywhere near my age, then you do know. So I made it the recipe really easy. It's only 4 ingredients. Just 4 ingredients to make these butter cookies. And those ingredients are flour.
Check.
Sugar.
Check.
Butter.
Check.
And pure vanilla.
Check.
So we use 4 cups of flour. I sifted my flour because I like my cookies are nice and airy and fluffy. And we're going to use 1.5 cups of sugar, 4 sticks of butter, or 1 pound. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I really love my vanilla. So what you do first is we're going to use our butter. Ladies, open up the butter for me. We're going to use all 4 sticks of that butter. We're going to take 1.5 cups of sugar.
I want to open one.
Yeah, open one for me, Veda. This butter needs to be room temperature, nice and soft, to mix in good with the sugar and the flour.
It's so buttery.
My butter actually has been sitting out for about 2 days on the windowsill, so it's nice.
Oh, I really want to taste
and
it.
buttery.
I really want to
It's perfect. I've been waiting a while to do this recipe. I wasn't feeling well, as you guys know. I'm sick, but we're gonna push through and we're gonna hook it up for you guys. So now I'm gonna whip my butter. Neat, you're gonna add the sugar for me. Give it to me, ladies. Thank you.
That was quick.
So we're gonna whip the sugar and the butter together to make it nice and fluffy. And I already preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we do need to put our cookies into a warm oven. Also, if your batter is not stiff enough, you can chill it for an hour or 2 so that it will firm up nice and firm, so you won't be burning all over the place. In my family, we have a thing where we're not having a good day or we're upset about something. We bake cookies, right, Bears?
Yeah.
We bake cookies. Just the act of baking cookies make us happy.
Yeah.
It's not even the enjoyment. I mean, of course, it's delicious after we finish, but it's really about making the cookie. Now I'm going to slowly fold in my flour. This recipe actually is going to yield 60 cookies, so about 5 dozen cookies. Butter cookies do not stay long in my family, so I had to make sure I had a recipe that was going to yield enough cookies. I have 5 cups, a husband, and we all love butter cookies. I'm telling you guys, when you make these butter cookies, it's gonna bring you back. If you anywhere live in the Midwest, probably all over the place. I know I grew up in Chicago, and I could not wait to get the luncheon butter cookies. So like I said before, I did sift my flour because when I made the recipe before and I just had the flour unsifted, my cookies felt a little dense, a little heavy. It wasn't like melting in your mouth. So I figured, I tried it and I sifted, and it was perfect. All right, now it's time to add the vanilla.
Oh, yeah.
So now my dough is turning, it's getting firm.
I got some vanilla.
All right, like I said before, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of vanilla. You can always tweak the recipe for your enjoyment. Like I said, I love vanilla.
I got it.
And I love the way it tastes. Like bake a little bit more, baby.
It smells just like Nutella.
Okay, pour it in. This recipe does not call for any eggs or anything, just 4 ingredients. You got to be
That's what.
2 tablespoons of vanilla, flour, butter, and sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mixing this up, and I'll be back with you guys. Then you do your 3-finger press.
Oh, we get to press it. Oh, mine.
You can cut it.
I can't stay